Hi guys, Niecy Love Harmon here of What She Creating Enterprises, and today I will be showing you how to thread the Brother XL5340 sewing machine. So we'll be working with the top thread in this video. Let's get started. Okay, first thing, I have my spool of top thread here, and I will be using this to thread the sewing machine. So first thing I'm going to do is take my spool of thread and place it on the spool holder here. So you can make this, match this down or up based on the height of your spool thread. So we'll put that here. And then I'm going to look at the guide here, and it shows me that I need to put my thread through the back of this and allow it to come forward. So this is what I'll do. I'm taking my thread and I'm doing the exact same thing. So all I did, and then pulled it up. So that's the 1 and the 2. So we just completed that. So once we move down a bit, the next thing we will do is we see the 3. So we're going to take our thread and move it down across the 3 and then go up. So we'll take it down and then we're coming right back up. Okay, 4 is probably the most difficult. I'm going to turn my hand wheel here. So my hand wheel is here. So I'm going to turn my hand wheel as I do this, and I'm going to pull this silver piece up. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around the back of this silver piece. Okay, so I just wanted to take the door off to show you this. The silver piece here, this is what we're looking at, but the silver piece has a hole here. So what you're trying to do is pull the thread behind this and catch it, okay? So once again, I take it behind and pull it through. That's what you want to do, but you do not have to take the door off in order to do that. Next thing I'll do is I'm going to do the same thing that I did when the door was off. So I'm going to pull it behind here and come right back up, and it should be connected to the machine. So if I get close, you can tell that it is connected to the machine now. Okay, so I did the same exact thing with the door off that I did with the door on. So make sure that it's connected, and then you're going to go down to number 5 here, piece here. So take the thread on the left side and we're going to attach it there. So there's a little piece that hangs out here. Just loop it around that, and now it's in that piece. We're going to thread the needle. One of the easiest ways that I thread the needle, I take a pair of scissors and cut, and then I will thread the needle by hand. However, I will thread the needle by, with my eye, because I can see that. Okay. Now, this machine also, okay, make sure that this is straight. There's no, it's not swirling around the needle, that it goes from here and it's straight and it goes through the needle and it comes out. Now, this machine does have an automatic threader, and I will show you that in a future video. But for this particular video, I did not use the automatic threader. The next thing you want to do is take it through the presser foot here. I call these the toes. So we'll put it through the toe and make sure that it goes to the back. And so you have successfully threaded the top thread of the Brother XL5340 sewing machine. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Subscribe to our page. Leave us comments, and happy sewing.